Hi, this is Daniel and today I'm going to show you how to create from the vertical video the horizontal one with the blurred background. So for this we are going for the edit tab, then you will simply select this video track, you will go for the inspector edit top left and unlink the zoom by clicking on this icon. Then you can simply change the zoom X, thanks what you will make the bottom video wider and fit the borders. Or in case you don't want to play with the zoom, we can set it back for the 1 and you will scroll down for the retim and scaling and you will choose scaling stretch. And as you can see, it fit the borders in the same way. Now we can go for the effects at the top left, we will go for the open FX, filters and simply choose the blur you want to use. In my case it's going to be Gaussian blur. So I will select this and simply drag on my video. Now as you can see the background is already blurred and all we have to do now is simply add about this one more time the original video. Just like that and voila! We just created the vertical video with the blurred background. Of course, as we now added another video, we have two audio tracks, so make sure that you will mute one of them. But this is how you can easily create this kind of videos. In case you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit the like, and in case you would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit subscribe as well. But for today, that's really all. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see you all in the next video. Goodbye.